During the dining table build in episode 8 of season 1, I used a butterfly bit to make the dovetail spline for holding on the breadboard ends. This is the easy way to make this spline, but it's not the only way. You can make it using the same bit you used for the dovetail grooves. It just requires a couple extra steps. You will need to mill the key stock to its final size, in this case, 1/2 inch by 3/4. Set the fence to expose about 3/16 of the bit, and set the height to exactly 3/8 of an inch. Then the key stock is milled twice on each side, flipping it over between cuts. Note the flat spots on each side of the V. The fence is too far forward and not enough bit is exposed. I prefer to start that way, then adjust the fence until the V reaches out to both edges. 4 cuts are required to make the butterfly spline, but they're all made with this same setup. These are very light cuts, but the stock is also quite small. Accurately making all 4 cuts requires that the stock is held tight against the fence and down to the table. Microjig's grippers are the best tool I know of to handle small stock like this accurately and safely. If you've done your work accurately, your dovetail spline will fit snugly in between the parts. When made properly, this dovetail spline joint is perfect for breadboard ends, physically holding the parts together while allowing for seasonal wood movement. Find more great content to help you build your skills at woodcademy.com.